Hi, my name is Jerry Kopach, and you're watching IBEW Our Power.
Welcome to Out of the Box on IBEWOurPower.com. I'm Michelle Griego. The IBEW is always on the cutting edge of the latest and greatest technology, whether for residential, commercial, or industrial, inside or outside, as an apprentice or journeyman. Solar power is just one more piece of the IBEW members' installation repertoire. JATCs around the country are training our workforce in mounting these solar panels in all kinds of situations. But did you know that IBEW members not only install the panels, they make them too, and right here in America. We had the opportunity to visit the Sharp manufacturing plant in Memphis, Tennessee to see how these panels are made and learn a little bit more about the pride behind American manufacturing and union manufacturing. This is the Sharp manufacturing plant in Memphis, Tennessee. Each year, IBEW members at the plant produce enough solar panels to create 64 megawatts of electricity. That's enough power for more than 14,000 homes. The IBEW workers at the plant are considered artists by their management.
Right now, what we do is a fairly simplistic but a process of integrating the cells into modules, but it takes an art to put them together in a way that results in quality production, in production of an electric photovoltaic module, a solar electric module we call it, that will last in the outdoors for 30 years and that's warranted in its power for 25 years.
Sounds like a quality product, but how does it work and how are these cells made? A solar cell works by collecting light emitted from the sun in the form of photons and using it to excite the cell's silicon electrons. These excited electrons then begin to flow from an area of high excitement to low excitement, creating an electrical current that is able to be harnessed for electricity.
We receive cells from Japan, which are individual wafers, which are approximately 220 microns thick, about the thickness of a business card. We do a visual inspection of those cells before loading them into separate magazines. We take those magazines, load them into what's called a tabbing machine, which takes the individual cells and joins them together into strings, which is something like a battery. And you take those strings and you apply them to a sheet of glass. From that process, it gets encapsulated. We also do an electrical check on the module to make sure there's no defects from that standpoint. This is the last time that we can repair any module. So we'll take the module, if it does need to be repaired, we'll repair it and re-encapsulate it. If everything's okay from that point, it goes into a curing oven where the encapsulation is hardened. That gives us the good quality material we need for the warranty. It goes then after that to the pack-out area. Typically, in our operation, we go from cells coming in to module out the door within 24 hours.
Even though the process has a quick turnaround, contractors and their IBEW workforce can feel good about the product they're installing on residential and commercial buildings.
The electricians should feel real comfortable because the procedures that they go through at the back end to get this stuff right, it's top notch and everything is right before it leaves this plant.
One of the beauties of solar photovoltaics is that it's elegantly simple, no moving parts, and we have the prospect of dramatically reducing costs.
The workers themselves take tremendous pride in what they do at the plant, helping to not only retain jobs for American union workers, but also to do their part for the environment as well.
IBEW members at Sharp Manufacturing take great pride in the fact that they're able to produce a product here in the United States. The plant there has gone through many changes over the years, from microwaves to TVs and now to primarily the solar panel production, and they take great pride in being able to produce some of the cutting technology for their energy conservation and the green movement.
Sharp is a great company. Their benefits are great. Their pay is great. So they're a great company to work for.
This is the perfect time to start becoming involved in the solar industry for an electrician and for others, but especially for electricians and for union electricians because the industry is growing so very fast. There are a lot of opportunities out there. They're looking for folks, and we're all eager to see quality installations.
An IBEW workforce is absolutely essential to Sharp's success, a workforce that is naturally curious, loves their job, and works hard.
I'm the type of person I love to learn, to do more different things than just one thing. I'm not the type that like to stay on one thing. I love my job. As long as we keep the work coming, hey, we'll put the products out. They send it down here to the simulator pack out, we're gonna pack it out, and we're gonna get it out there.
For IBEWHourPower.com, I'm Michelle Griego. Thanks for the click.